Hi everyone and welcome back to my final morning report analysis video on Tuesday 24th of October with me, Rich Parry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at gold. And what we have on gold is this sort of stepped correction, I would call it, whereby you've seen the sort of bears back in control in the last week and a half. The market price is falling away. You get this sort of occasional little rally. You had one last week. You've seemingly had one again yesterday, and the market again falling over. You look at the momentum indicators; they are tracking lower. You've got the MACD lines and the stochastics sort of rolling down. You've got the RSI sort of just drifting lower. Really, I think this is sort of coming back for a test of 1260. I mean, the initial low is obviously yesterday's low at 1271.90, but 1260 I think is going to be the low that gets tested in due course. But it's sort of coming back towards this sort of trend that we've seen of higher lows throughout 2017, really, and it's likely to be, I think, just drifting towards that. I don't think it's necessarily going to be a sharp downside move. I think it all depends on how the dollar and treasury yields move in the next sort of few weeks, but ultimately I think we're going to see a test of 1260, probably around there, limiting to maybe 1250 to 1260 support, and then see where the next move takes us. But yeah, I still think we are tracking lower. You can see that on the hourly chart where you've rolled over again today. You've got seen the momentum indicators failing at levels where the sellers have tended to come in since this corrective move has happened, sort of in the mid 60s on the RSI. The MACD lines sell signal again, so it's all sort of trending towards a retest of 1271 and subsequently 1260. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.